What's up, everybody? Polio Jr. again. Keeping this down here so you don't see my VIN number, so you people don't dox me. Anyway, this is an extremely simple video on how to extend the life of your windshield wipers. So, for whatever reason, let's just say, I don't know, you can't afford new ones at the moment, times are tough, or you just want to see if it works and go, hey, what the hell? So let me see, can I place this in a way? Nope. Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to do this one-handed. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I have paper towels, just simple paper towels. I'm gonna put a decent amount of rubbing alcohol on the paper towel, and then we'll go from there. Now this is literally as simple as it gets here. So we have the rubbing alcohol, and as you can see, it is pretty well doused in it. Hopefully I don't have any cuts on my hands so my fingers don't start burning. But that's it. You flip the windshield wiper blade upside down, and you just kind of gently get in there and clean off anything on the inside or outside of the windshield wiper blade itself. And then you don't even have to let it dry. Obviously the alcohol will evaporate on its own. So now we're going to go over to the second one here and do the same thing. So, alright, let's see here. Alright, just going to go down. Yeah, because obviously alcohol evaporates super quickly. That's why, you don't have to douse it too heavily, but just make sure you have enough on it to do this. So you're going to go, you're just going to try and grab the sides and the top at the same time and bring it back and forth. And literally, that is it. Now this should, at the very least, extend the life of your windshield wipers by bare minimum, a month. But to be honest with you, I would probably say you'll probably get between 3 to 6 months out of that. So, and you'll see just from turning it on how easy, or how effective this simple process is. So if you don't feel like going to the store to buy alcohol, I'll put a link in the description for that. But yeah, this literally works with any brand and any model, make, and vehicle of of the car itself. So, but yeah, that's about it. So thank you guys very much for watching another video, just these random ideas. So alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. If I can pause.